All right, well, we do have showers and thunderstorms this evening. It'll be a line coming through. Some of them could contain a little bit of small hail, some gusty winds, but it's just a cooler air that's coming through. But it's daytime heating, so once the sun sets, all that activity will diminish, and it's scattered, so it'll just last a few minutes and be gone. But we do have that opportunity right now. Areas to the north of I-90 have already seen that. Areas to the south will see some of that activity too. So that otherwise Tuesday, absolutely sunshine, not a cloud in the sky, likely pleasant conditions too. The dew points will be back down. Temperatures right where they should be. We're going to warm up a little bit on Wednesday. The humidity stays still low, and then Thursday we start warming up a little bit more. Storm chance, the first one would become Wednesday night, but that's a low chance. And then we do have chances potentially by Friday, but still those are fairly low too. I think a lot of areas will stay dry all the way to about Friday evening. Then it gets a little bit uncertain what goes on here. But all this activity right here pretty much is just a little bit of a line of scattered thunderstorms coming through. That'll continue to push across the La Crosse area probably in the next hour if they hold together. And then by 6:37 they'll be further south. But notice as we get towards sunset here, this starts to diminish too with no daytime heating. And then we'll just basically have clear skies, light winds, and very cool conditions overnight for once too, getting back to where we should be, which is around in the low 60s with lower humidity too, which will be nice. Now, the next chance of showers and thunderstorms I mentioned is not till Wednesday. A little disturbance is going to come really right across the area you'll see and really just touch portions of northeast Iowa, maybe southwest Wisconsin. We go on to Wednesday night, just right there, scooting right across the area. So that is the next chance, a very slight chance. But otherwise, tomorrow's temperatures, low 80s, mid 80s, potentially get up to 84, 85, but the dew points will be low. You'll also have that northwest wind, so it'll make it feel real pleasant conditions out there for what we've had compared to last week. Now Wednesday, our temperatures come up a little bit. The wind turns around to the west, so we won't have quite that wind. Cloud cover a little bit more in the afternoon, and then there's that chance come Wednesday night, pretty much northeast Iowa, maybe down to southwest Wisconsin with a little bit of shower and thunderstorm chance. Everyone else will probably remain dry. Thursday, the chances are very low. I think most areas will remain dry. The humidity starts coming up. The winds start turning around to the southwest. But overall, temperatures are not that far from average quite yet, but we will notice that change. Now, come Friday, the winds turn around ahead of the system coming through, so it's going to be warm. It's going to be muggy. A lot of areas will approach 90, especially south of I-90, so it's going to be a warm, muggy July 4th. But I think it'll be dry for the most part right now. The thunderstorms, I think, come in the evening hour, but there's still a lot of question exactly how soon they'll arrive there. So stay tuned to more updates on that. That system coming through there is right there. It'll come through the warm front at some point Friday night to Saturday morning. That looks the best chance of showers and thunderstorms. We'll have a break and then more coming, developing probably Saturday at some point before the cold front comes through. By the time we get to Sunday morning, that cold front is to the southeast of us. So we'll time that out, but definitely prepare for some showers and thunderstorms for July 4th. And we're looking at maybe Friday night through about Saturday night. And we'll just kind of refine the time, the tuning of that when we get closer to the event. Otherwise, the temperatures beyond that, Sunday looks less humid and likely going to be dry too for the end of the holiday weekend. And then going into next week, pretty average temperatures and low humidity otherwise. So we'll keep an eye on the Friday night and Saturday, but that does look an opportunity for showers and thunderstorms, and we'll see if it can hold off for anyone doing fireworks in the evening right now. But definitely prepare for some wet weather for at least a portion of the weekend.
All right, and generally what you'd expect out of early July.
It's July, so you get it. But good news is, like you said, tomorrow, less humidity, plenty of sunshine. It's really going to feel nice out there compared to what we've had.
All right, thanks very much, Greg.